Take a deep breath and let's begin. Each breathwork practice is designed for a specific moment, helping you find balance, energy, or calm whenever you need it. Morning boost and energy activation. 1. Wake-up breath. Take a deep inhale, hold for 3 seconds, then exhale fully. Repeat 5 times to gently awaken your body. 2. Fire breath, Kapalabhati. Short, rapid exhales through the nose for 1 to 2 minutes to ignite energy and shake off morning sluggishness. 3. Sunrise expansion. Breath. Inhale deeply through the nose while stretching your arms wide. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly while bringing your hands to your heart. 4. Morning clarity breath. Use a 4-4-8 pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 8. To set an intentional and focused mindset. 5. Standing tall breath. Take 5 deep belly breaths while standing with your feet grounded to feel energized and centered before starting the day. Work and productivity enhancers. 6. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Repeat to sharpen focus before a meeting or presentation. 7. Alternate nostril breathing. Breathe in through one nostril while closing the other, then switch. This balances the brain and clears mental fog. 8. 1-minute reset breath. Deep inhale, long exhale. Repeat for 1 minute to regain composure between tasks. 9. Power breath. Inhale deeply through the nose, then exhale quickly through the mouth 3 times in a row. Ideal for a midday energy boost. 10. Slow counting breath. Inhale for a slow count of 6. Exhale for 6. A simple way to stay calm during high-pressure moments. Stress and anxiety relief. 11. 4 to 7 to 8. Breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Perfect for calming nerves and reducing stress instantly. 12. Extended exhale. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 to 8 seconds to activate relaxation and slow a racing heart. 13. Sighing breath. Take a deep breath in, then sigh out audibly to release tension. Repeat 3 times. 14. Hand on heart breathing. Place a hand on your heart, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly while focusing on feelings of gratitude. 15. Cooling breath. Sitali pranayama. Inhale through a curled tongue or pursed lips, then exhale through the nose to cool the body and calm the mind. Emotional balance and mindfulness. 16. 3-part breath. Inhale into the belly, then the ribs, then the chest. Exhale slowly in reverse order. A great way to check in with your emotions. 17. Loving kindness. Breath. Inhale peace. Exhale compassion. Mentally send love to yourself and others with each breath. 18. Body scan. Breathing. With each breath, bring awareness to a different part of the body, releasing tension as you go. 19th. Heart-centered breath. Breathe deeply while focusing on your heartbeat, allowing it to slow and guide you into a peaceful state. 20. Letting go breath. Inhale while mentally saying let, then exhale while saying go. A powerful practice for releasing emotional burdens. Deep relaxation. 21st evening. Wind down breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 8 to relax before bed. 22nd. Yogic sleep breath, Yoga Nidra. Inhale deeply, hold briefly, and exhale as if melting into the bed. Helps release all tension from the day. 23rd. Ocean breath, Ujjayi pranayama. Slightly constrict the throat while breathing to create a soothing wave-like sound. Ideal for calming an overactive mind. 24. Side-lying breathing. Lie on your right side and breathe deeply through the left nostril to slow heart rate and prepare for deep sleep. 25. Moon breath. Inhale through the left nostril, exhale through the right to activate cooling, calming energy before sleep. Physical health and pain management. 26. Diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into the belly rather than the chest to improve lung capacity and circulation. 27th. Pain relief breath. Inhale deeply, then exhale slowly while visualizing pain melting away. Effective for headaches and tension. 28th. Posture. Aligning breath. Inhale while straightening the spine. Exhale while relaxing the shoulders to release tension from poor posture. 29th. Breath of fire for digestion. Rapid breathing in and out through the nose to stimulate digestion and metabolism. 30. Lymphatic flow. Breath. Deep belly breaths while bouncing lightly on your feet help move lymphatic fluids and support immunity. Breathing for communication and confidence. 31. Power speech. Breath. Inhale deeply before speaking to project a strong, confident voice. 30-second public speaking breath. Slow, steady inhales and exhales to calm nerves before stepping in front of an audience. 33rd. Listening breath. Breathe in while listening. Exhale while mentally processing, improving active listening and patience. 34. Grounding breath for conflict resolution. Take 3 slow, deep breaths before responding in heated discussions. 35. Compassion breath. Inhale while thinking understanding. Exhale while thinking peace to cultivate empathy in difficult conversations. 36. Breathwork for movement and exercise. 37th. Pre-workout oxygenation. Take 5 deep belly breaths before exercising to improve endurance. 38th. Rhythmic running breath. Inhale for 2 steps. Exhale for 2 steps to maintain stamina while jogging. 39th. Stretching breath. Inhale as you lengthen the body. Exhale as you deepen the stretch. 40th. Strength training breath. Exhale during exertion. Inhale during release for better control during weightlifting. 41st. Cool down breath. Slow, deep breaths with extended exhales after exercise to aid muscle recovery. Breathing for spiritual connection. 42nd. Mantra. Breath. Inhale while mentally repeating a mantra. Exhale while releasing distractions. 43rd. Counting breath meditation. Count to 10 with each inhale and exhale to maintain focus during meditation. 44. Inner peace breath. Inhale deeply and hold for a moment while visualizing a peaceful place, then exhale into that stillness. 45th. Chakra balancing breath. Focus breath on different energy centers of the body to balance emotions and vitality. 46. Silent awareness breath. Observe the natural flow of breath without altering it, cultivating deep mindfulness. Emergency and crisis breathing. 47th. Panic attack. Recovery breath. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale for 6 to regain control. 48th. Shock recovery breath. Slow, steady breathing while hugging yourself to calm the nervous system. 49th. Grounding breath for overwhelm. Inhale while pressing hands on thighs. Exhale while pressing feet into the ground to reconnect with the present moment. 50. Breathing through grief. Inhale deeply. Exhale with a sigh, allowing emotions to move through you gently. 51. Crisis centering breath. Take a deep breath, pause, then slowly exhale while mentally repeating, I am safe, I am here. Breath is the bridge between body and mind. Use it intentionally, and you can transform how you navigate each moment of your life. Situational additions. 52. Laughing breath. Inhale deeply, then exhale with a forced ha-ha-ha to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and release tension. 53rd. Gratitude. Breath. Inhale while thinking of something you're grateful for. Exhale while sending gratitude outward. 54. Breath for decision-making. Before making a big choice, take 3 long, deep breaths, pausing at the top and bottom to create mental clarity. 55th. Discomfort tolerance. Breath, slow inhales, and even longer exhales to regulate discomfort, whether emotional or physical, great for cold plunges or stress. 56. Breath of surrender. Deep inhale with a brief hold, then a long, exaggerated sigh to release control and accept the moment. 57. Breath for synchronization. Practice breathing in sync with another person, partner, coworker, or child to foster deeper connection and attunement. 58. Travel anxiety breath. When in airports or traffic, inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 8 to calm travel stress. 59. Creative flow breath. Inhale deeply and hold for a moment before exhaling through pursed lips to clear mental clutter and enhance creativity. 60th post-argument breath. After a conflict, breathe in for 5 counts, exhale for 10 to reset emotional balance. 61. Rainy day breath. Inhale deeply through the nose, imagining the fresh scent of rain, and exhale as if releasing tension into the earth. Advanced and specialized breathing practices. 62. Breath for overwhelm. When feeling overloaded, inhale deeply while raising your shoulders, then exhale while dropping them with a sigh to release tension instantly. 63. Breath for public speaking. Before speaking, inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 8 to reduce nervousness and steady your voice. 64. Breath for deep focus, work and study. Inhale for 3 counts, hold for 3, exhale for 6. Repeat 5 times before diving into deep work. 65. Breath for creative writing or brainstorming. Breathe in through the nose, hold for a few seconds, then exhale while envisioning ideas flowing onto the page. 66. Breath for dealing with difficult people. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 8 while mentally repeating, "This too shall pass." 67. Morning reset breath. Before starting your day, breathe in through the nose for 6 counts, hold for 4, exhale through the mouth for 8 to set a positive tone. 68. Breath for team meetings. Before a meeting, take 5 deep breaths together as a group to foster clarity, patience, and better communication. 69. Breath for after a long day. Inhale deeply through the nose, hold for a moment, then exhale audibly, visualizing the day's stress leaving your body. 70. Breath for email. Anxiety. Before opening a difficult email, take 3 long, deep breaths to calm your nervous system and gain clarity. 71. Breath for financial stress. Inhale for 5, hold for 5, exhale for 10 while visualizing stability and abundance. 72. Breath for self-compassion. Inhale deeply while mentally saying, "I am enough." Exhale with a slow sigh, releasing self-criticism. 73. Breath for social anxiety. Before entering a social setting, inhale deeply through the nose, hold for 3 counts, and exhale fully while imagining confidence filling your body. 74. Breath for transitioning between tasks. Take a slow inhale, hold briefly, and exhale fully to reset your mind before switching to a new activity. 75. Breath for unblocking energy. Breathe in deeply, then exhale in short bursts through pursed lips until your lungs are empty, shaking out any stagnant energy. 76. Breath for deep listening. Before engaging in an important conversation, inhale deeply and exhale slowly while setting the intention to listen without judgment. Breath practices for triggers and toxic situations. 77. Grounding breath for being triggered. Inhale deeply for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 8 while mentally repeating, I am safe, I am present. This helps break the reactive cycle. 78. Box breath for emotional regulation. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Repeat until emotions settle and clarity returns. 79. Cooling breath for anger. Sitali pranayama. Inhale through a curled tongue or pursed lips. Exhale slowly through the nose. This calms heated emotions. 80. Pause. Breath before reacting. When feeling provoked, take 1 deep breath in and exhale with a slow, deliberate sigh before responding. 81. Exhale to let go of negativity. Inhale deeply and exhale forcefully through the mouth as if pushing out toxic energy. 82. Protective breath for toxic environments. Before entering a difficult space, inhale deeply, imagining a protective energy shield. Exhale to reinforce that boundary. 83. Exit breath for walking away. If you need to remove yourself from a toxic conversation, inhale while mentally affirming your worth. Exhale while turning and walking away with intention. 84. Breath for processing emotional pain. Inhale deeply while naming the emotion you feel. Exhale while visualizing it softening and releasing. 85. Breath to reset. After a toxic encounter, find a quiet space. Inhale deeply for 6 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 8, visualizing the toxic energy leaving your body. Breath practices for end-of-day reconciliation and sleeping. 86. Evening reflection. Breath. Before bed, take a deep inhale while reflecting on the day. Then exhale with a sigh, letting go of any lingering tension or regrets. 87. Self-compassion. Breath before sleep. Inhale deeply, say internally, I did my best today. Exhale, releasing judgment or self-criticism. 88. Breath for letting go of the day. Inhale while mentally scanning your body for tension. Exhale while softening those areas. Repeat until completely relaxed. 89. Nostril switch breath for better sleep. Nadi Shodhana. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Switch. Exhale through the right. Repeat to calm the mind and balance the nervous system. 90. Humming bee breath. Brahmari. For deep relaxation. Inhale deeply, then exhale while humming like a bee. The vibration soothes the nervous system and preps the body for sleep. 91. Weighted breath for sleep anxiety. Place a hand on your chest and another on your belly. Inhale deeply, feeling the belly rise. Exhale fully, feeling it fall. This activates the parasympathetic response. 92. 4 to 7 to 8. Breath for deep sleep. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This slows the heart rate and helps you drift into sleep. 93. Surrender breath for restful sleep. Inhale deeply, hold briefly, then exhale while whispering, I release or I surrender. Let go of worries before bed. 94. Breath of gratitude before sleep. Inhale while thinking of 3 things you're grateful for. Exhale while sending that gratitude outward. 95. Dream breath for subconscious clarity. Before sleep, inhale deeply, while setting an intention for your subconscious. Exhale, while visualizing restful dreams. Thank you for spending time on yourself with our world wisdom. List for life. Please consider sharing with someone who may benefit. May you be well. May you be happy. Keep breathing.